gone by the time we finish these.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You know that's what they did back in the day. They did the.
I'm gonna tell her to stop so y'all don't have to.
When you in the bathroom trying to take pictures and then they say, it's a video. So there's gonna be some changes, some updates, and some stuff going on to my channel. I just want to put out better content for you guys. So if you don't see vlogs, or if you don't see videos on Wednesdays and Sundays like I usually post, just bear with me. Yes, honey. Hey, let me close this door because I's jamming because the girls is headed here for girls night. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Anywho, let me introduce myself. Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Okay, if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Honey Gang. Okay, we have fun over here. Hit that bell next to it so that you're notified every time I upload. Let me show y'all my outfit. Bam, honey. This is what I was wearing. And child, all of it is literally SHEIN except for the boots. The boots is from Route 21 from I don't know how many years ago. But this from SHEIN, this from SHEIN, this hat is from SHEIN, honey. I'm finally getting to wear my hat and this bodysuit. And ladies, thick girl tip with the bodysuits, honey, just snap that thing on the side and it'll still look how it needs to, okay? And then in the middle of the night or when you out and about, you ain't got to worry about snapping that thing to use the bathroom, okay? So yes, y'all, this is what I was wearing. The girls is on their way. And we about to go have us some fun. Okay. I hope my hat stays on pretty good, child. Y'all know I got these locks and they a little thickums. So hopefully it does right. I feel like it really complements the outfit and I really want to wear it because I feel like without it, it's like, I don't know, basic. It like ties the whole outfit together, I feel like. So let me know what y'all think down below. And I'm about to go pour us some drinks to get to this night started. Real simple, y'all. This is what we drinking on. Y'all know my Wet Willie's cup from Miami. It's what I put my mixed drinks in. Yes.
Consumer Cellular is opening right here in Oklahoma City and is now hiring hundreds of great people for our award-winning customer service and inside sales teams. Consumer Cellular offers a competitive starting salary of $17 an hour, employer-subsidized benefits, full, part-time, and remote options, and opportunities for rapid growth. Launch your career at Consumer Cellular and help America.
This is strong. Hell yeah! I poured a full glass of juice. Hell no, you didn't. Yes, I did. I promise. I need another cup of just juice. I promise you. Nigga, I ain't ate that much today. How many is another cup of juice? Okay, shot time. You want a mixed drink? You sure? What are we gonna shot to, you guys?
Oh, I know I'm looking like
You gotta be camera ready. What are we cheering to?
I'm cheering to
Living your best life?
I guess so, because I keep thinking of this.
Okay. You royal. That was mom living life. Living your best life, being successful, and getting that money. Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Bam. Am I ready? Let's see. Whew. 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 Not about one shot though. Y'all, this mixed drink right here though, this is bomb. Ain't it good? Is it too strong? It's perfect, ain't it? Yes! Bartender tonight. This is the 35 Club.
We're gonna be gone by the time we finish these.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. That one down there on the end is lit. That one down there. My drink is good. Y'all, let's go this fucking. What you doing? My little hat finna blow off. Goddamn. Out here in the cold, trying to be cute. We made it in, y'all. What is this called again?
It's a white tea shot.
A white tea shot?
Yeah.
It's good though.
Super smooth. No, it's made it like. I thought it was fucking juice.
She likes it. It's something I can sip on. It's something you can sip on. This girl talking about I need to go behind the bar. She ain't trying to get me put out.
You're not gonna get put out if you get behind.
She's trying to get me put out.
It's a good idea. Wow. He look cool enough.
Hey. But then they look cool, don't.
Yeah, he look like he'll get hit hard.
Yeah, he was messing with our little light back there we was using for my pictures.
Yeah.
He act like he had a little problem with it because we turned it.
He talking about, are you done?
No, sir. You see us still taking pictures. Hello. Hey. You know what they did back in the day? They did the...
I'm gonna tell her to stop so y'all don't have to.
That's what they did back in the day.
I'm gonna tell her to stop for y'all. You know, y'all don't want to see us.
That's what they did back in the day.
Yeah, I can put the pop of the cold.
What the hell when they did?
She said so.
What you doing? No, I got holes in my pocket. Oh. Not just love your flesh and ways. This is when I broke your soul pain. Come on. Do it, baby, do it, baby, do it. When you in the bathroom trying to take pictures and then they say, it's a video. Okay, picture. No, you taking on your phone. I'm vlogging.
Oh. Okay. Ready?
You have my fingers.
2.
I'm trying to do the double P's.
1,
Lord.
2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. Hold on, I messed up. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Is it cute? What kind of picture is that? What you mean? That's the only way you can take it?
Send that to me.
That was a good picture. That was a good picture? I think so. Can you crop it?
Yeah. See there, she got it.
Let me see. I was just thinking it was just gonna be these.
Ready? 1, 2.
You on the ball.
Oh. You know how to serious.
Okay. No, that's staying in there. Y'all know how I do. Shit. Raw, uncut, and real. 1, 2, 3. Why she down so low and looking down there?
Looking at your damn camera.
Look at her camera, bitch. What are you doing?
Listen,
She's too drunk. She's too through.
listen.
Okay, just do a boomerang, and we're gonna do these, or I'm gonna do that. Okay. Cause this one over here,
Y'all don't talk about me. I need to lose about 50, 60 pounds.
girl, shut up. Okay, come on, last one, then we out of here.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna do the boomerang, right? Yeah, you ready? Okay. 1, 2. Hold on, I'll keep. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was cute. It should be, and I hope so.
Yes. Send it.
All right, let's go. I'm done. We out. Inspire you for New Year. I want to take some pictures out here. This lighting is everything. Do you see this? Do you see this? Ooh. Ooh. Hey, y'all. Wow, do I have my head on backwards? Oh, I made it back home. So I just wanted to chit chat with y'all really quick before I end the vlog. So, child. So there's gonna be some changes, some updates, and some stuff going on to my channel. I just want to upscale and, you know, put out better content for you guys. So if you don't see vlogs, or if you don't see videos on Wednesdays and Sundays like I usually post, just bear with me. I'm trying to do some rebranding and like some different things, and I want to put it out when I have it together. And I don't want to just continue putting out, you know, like bullshit or whatever. Like y'all almost didn't get this vlog today because I wasn't doing anything. We had like a snowstorm and I had been in the house since Wednesday and today is Saturday. So like there was nothing for me to vlog, and I'm not gonna put out boring content. So we ended up going out and having a girls' night. So there was, you know, footage for me to vlog and put out for y'all. So, but I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that's been rocking with me for this long. All my new subscribers, all my new supporters, all my new followers on Instagram, Snapchat, wherever. Like, I just thank you guys so much for your support and for rocking with me. And I pray that you continue to rock with me throughout the changes or rebranding that is going to happen with my channel. You know, I only want to put out great content for you guys. I don't want to be posting just to be posting, even though some people say that it's fine for them. They just want to see you in the house doing whatever. I don't want to put out stuff that I know I'm not going to watch. I don't want to put out boring content. I want it to be like bam, 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 bam. You know what I'm saying? My little hat is barely hanging on, y'all. Anywho, so I just want to let you guys know that real quick. So yeah, there's gonna be some changes. I'm trying to rebrand, and so you may not be getting videos on every Wednesday and Sunday, but I am gonna still be putting out content while I am working on switching up some things. So all I ask is that you guys bear with me and continue to join the Honey Gang, continue to be a part of the Honey Gang. If you have any suggestions on videos or anything that you guys would like to see from me, please let me know down below. I really do appreciate the feedback. Like, you guys really just don't know. I really do appreciate it. Even if you send it to me, like DM me on Instagram, even if you don't want to comment on the videos, like just let me know, please, please, please. What else was I gonna say? I just appreciate y'all. Like, I just don't know. I appreciate you so much. What I want for my channel is to build a loyal, you know, family following, to where, you know, we're like a family, the Honey Gang. You know what I'm saying? So, whoo, Chad, I'm tired. I'm a little tipsy. Y'all gonna have to, my little hat. Oh man, y'all gonna have to bear with me, okay? But yeah, I think that was all I wanted to say. I also want to go live too. So if y'all can think of like a best day and time for me to go live on YouTube, please let me know that down below as well. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much. I love y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate y'all. Chris is about to come in now, so I'm gonna see if he wants to come on the vlog and end it with me. Because this might be the last vlog for a while. I'm not sure. I don't know. But y'all see my juice back there, my pineapples? Honey, I've been juicing. That's another thing too, honey. We are going on a lifestyle change, life journey. We're losing weight, baby. I'm already down 20 pounds. You know what I'm saying? So big things is happening. Big things are going to be changing. All that good stuff for the better. So let me see if he want to end the vlog with me. Hold on, y'all. Here he come right now, y'all. Y'all see all this snow? Like, it's better now. It was worse. But, like, we were snowed in for a few days. So, he gonna come in and we gonna end off this vlog. Here he is, y'all. That fake ass smile. Anywho, love y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, bye.
And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.